Hello everyone, welcome back to another video unboxing. Well, it's been some time since I last did one. If you follow my videos, you know that only a month ago I got made redundant. And I've been rejected from quite a few jobs recently because I've been applying. I'm actually technically still working into the March 6th, no, March 7th. That's when my consultation period's over. So that's why I haven't purchased too much stuff, because I need to kind of watch my money. You know, the tech job climate is really bad at the moment. Everyone's making redundant. The jobs, one position, you got 150 million people applying for it. So there's a lot of competition out there. Anyway, back to the point is, I'd like to say, thank you for everyone who's subscribed in the last month or two, and please continue to do so. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Like and subscribe to his videos. It will definitely greatly help me out. Appreciate that. So, all the waffling finishing. Yes, another one unboxing of OnePlus Watch 3. Got this. This is an official one, global. On retail at the moment, it's £319, but you know, early birds. I tend to do early bird a lot. Plus, you know, like pre-order discounts. I got it for £239, including another set of buds free, which is this is actually the second pair really. So there's always £99 if you buy it. So it's always good to have earbuds, backup ones. Put that aside. So I decided to go for the black one because if you check my videos, I got the blue one, OnePlus 2, and I got OnePlus R in green. So it was great to have a black one. As I said before, when I compare my watches, please do check those videos out. I said that the OnePlus is my favorite design out of all the watches I got. Even though I would say the Huawei GT4 and 5 my favorite overall, because it's still a good looking watch, plus it has amazing battery life. OnePlus Watch 2 had good battery life, comparing, you know, three days, but this one's meant to be better. They say around 5 days to a week, depending on the settings, because I really wanted a good looking watch with battery life. So let's see if this takes the crown of my favorite watch, beating Huawei GT4 and 5. All right then. And also, I'm actually looking forward to, because some of you may know, if you are fans of things, there's actually a misspelling at the back. I know that OnePlus has recently said they're going to delay this, the next shipment, until April 1st or something like that, to kind of fix the the spelling mistake at the back. Let me see if I've got one, because I actually don't mind it, because because you know what, if it's the first batch, you know it's going to be rare. Let's undo that. One of the problems I had with the Watch 2 and the 2R was this crown. Even though it moved, it didn't do anything. You know, and now I'm checking some reviews out that he actually does all the movement, which is always good. You get a nice rubber. It actually feels pretty good. This is titanium, and the body is stainless steel. You want to check out the full specs, like I said, I left it in the beginning intro. You can go back and pause it. Yeah, usual stuff. You've got another button there. Yeah, she looks really good, nice and smooth, pretty cool. Anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this up. I'm trying to set this up on my. So I've got a black OnePlus watch and a black OnePlus 13. I'm gonna do is set this up and I'll do a quick hands-on and just go over some basic stuff really. Anyway, I'll be back once I set this up. I'll see you guys and girls in about an hour or so. Okay, well, I'm back again. I was so eager to get this set up, I actually forgot to do unboxing. You know, I've been out of work and kind of forgotten what to do. Anyway, let's continue with the unboxing. What's inside? All right then. Usually they have, again, you can see icons there. So this is the power. It's nicely packaged. Always liked OnePlus style of packaging. You know. Whoops. Can't you take this out? There you go. So you can see you've got the charging base. I actually quite like this style where it's separated, because you know my other watches, the cable is connected. So if you lose the cable, you know, with this one, you can always buy, you can use any cable, which is good. I've got plenty of these now. And then the cable itself, which is a to C standard. Yeah, and then on this side, paperwork, usual stuff. And that's your unboxing. Yeah, I was so eager to get this set up. I totally forgot to unbox it. There you go. So that's the unboxing for the OnePlus Watch 3. Again, let me set this up and I'll get back to you all with a quick hands-on. See you in about an hour or so. See you later. Hey, I'm back again, and yeah, as you can see here, we're getting focus. You can see it says Made in China. So I got the one that has a misprint. I'm actually quite happy because these ones are going to be so rare. I know that OnePlus is going to make them delay them until April 1st, if I remember correctly. So I'm actually pretty happy that I got this before the reprints. So you can see here is Made in China. This actually reminds me of a story. If anybody from England, of course, watch Only Fools and Horses, one of the most popular sitcoms in the UK, is the 1996 three-part special. One of the episodes where Derek Trotter, the older brother, buys his younger brother Rodney Trotter, on his birthday, a gold identity bracelet. But his brother's name's called Rodney, but on the identity bracelet it says Rooney. And you find that at the end of the episode is Del Boy, or Derek, he took it to a dyslexic engraver. And it kind of reminds me of that. So maybe the engraver was, or the person who digitally input it was dyslexic, who knows. Well, anyway, I'm just happy that I got the misprint one. It's going to be rare. Anyway, let me get back to you guys and girls when I set this up. Hey everyone, I'm back. Welcome back again. So the setup was easy once you know what to do. So originally, of course, I was trying to set it up with OnePlus 13 and it didn't work. I was like, why? And then I just remembered, I don't know why, this is the Chinese version. It's using Color OS. So this is using Wear OS. It doesn't work. So unfortunately, that's the downside of buying import phones, is because, especially from China, this one's a Color OS, so Wear OS is not going to work. All right then, and I was going to try it with my Vivo. Then I remember that was Chinese as well. And what's my latest flagship? That's the only one that's global, is my Nubia, Nubia Z70 Ultra, which I'm currently using at the moment. Great phone, I keep on saying. Check my video out for that as well. So this one's working because this is a global ROM. Usual stuff as normal. You just set this up because I've already downloaded the app already. It's O Health. Once you do that, you do the setup, usual stuff. When you go to home, you got all these stats here, which I've set in my videos. My OnePlus Watch 2 and OnePlus Watch as well, R2R. I barely use any of these stuff because I got a walking app on the phone, which is very good. I just enjoy watches, and I've always said that I prefer kind of circular watches. I'm not a big fan of rectangle, square watches. Good old-fashioned classic. And then you got the health, usual stuff, fitness. You got a ton of them. You click on the three dots, three lines. You got a whole bunch of them here. You can see. And you can just go in. They got a new one, badminton, which is pretty good because badminton's become pretty popular nowadays. Usual stuff. Device, of course. You got a watch face. Whoops. Sorry about that. Something wrong with my phone, just blacked out. Also, did you notice something? I'm moving on my chair. There's no squeak. Yep, I finally bought a new chair. I know, it took its time. I finally got a new chair because I was sick and tired of the squeaky noise. Anyway, back to this. You've got all these watch faces. You can go in there. Loads of settings and all that stuff. So the usual O Health stuff like that. on the actual device itself, this is the watch face it came with as default. You can see it advertised on their website, but I just chose this one. I've been using a lot. You guys see you can just hold the button, hold your finger down, it goes into the settings. These are that come pre-installed. I just chose this one, which is what came there. This one here. This one does drain a lot of battery, as you can see. It gives you a warning, but I'm okay with that because I don't really use the health out, so it kind of compensates. I like this one. You can see the bluish going around like seconds, so that's the one I use. Okay, use your fingers. You tap on this. You go into settings. For once, the crown actually does something, unlike the others. The last generation where it's only for show. You see that I kept it very simple. This one you got another button here. This will take you to your fitness app, and so on. Then of course you can swipe that way. It goes back to your settings again. Settings are usually pretty standard. If I can reach it, you use your stuff here. So yeah, all together, that's that. So let's go through some of the settings, the specs. Like I said, the specs will be an intro scene. You can go back and pause it. But that's the basic thing. This is titanium, the rim, and then the body is still using stainless steel, which is good. There's one thing that I know. This is the rubber strap. You know, if you look at the, let me just compare my last one. You can see the last generation here. It's a bit dirty. There's not much difference in size and weight. But you can see that this one's coming sort of like a nice, whatever, leather strap or something like that. You can see the stitching. I would love to see this model that came with that. I assume that you can always buy extra straps, because these straps is just a standard 22 millimeter, so you can just change it by doing that, and you can undo it. There you go. And then it's on the actual website, it says power saving mode is up to 16 days, which, you know, you never trust these companies to do that. And smart mode is up to 5 days, heavy use 3 days. So I don't consider myself heavy use. Probably get 5 days, maybe 6 days out of it. The display, I've always, some people, because I got plenty, this is my 8th watch now, or roughly the same size, 1.5 inches or 466 times 466. Okay, a lot of my colleagues and some of my friends and family were saying, "Oh, this is too big," but I like it. I like it big like this. Don't know why. As I know, it sounds maybe sexist if you want to say it. I think men should carry big watches. Hey, that's just an opinion. Please don't take it the wrong way. I just think it looks pretty good having a big watch. It's using, like I say, Wear OS, Snapdragon W5, up to 2,200 nits brightness, so pretty good. This is water proof up to 50 feet or 50 meters, 30 minutes. But to be fair, I mean, by the time you get to 50 meters or 50 feet and go back up, that's nearly half an hour already. I wouldn't want to try that. So yeah, all in all, it's got a nice weight. Some people say it's a bit heavy. When you compare it to the my OnePlus Watch battery is draining, this one's definitely lighter because it's the OnePlus 2R. This is actually aluminium. You know, I'm just going to get all 3 of them out. So, like I said, they kept the design language. I'm just asking, what do you prefer? Do you like having 2 crowns, kind of like symmetric, or do you prefer just 1 crown and that kind of like a cut off angle button here? What do you guys and girls think? Me personally, I prefer 2 crowns myself, but that's just me. But that's about it really for a quick hands-on unboxing. Please like, subscribe. I kind of need it now because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, because, you know, that's where you get the ad revenue. I want to at least have some sort of money coming in, you know, because I mentioned many times I've been made redundant, and so there won't be that many unboxing videos. This one, you know, plus a voucher, plus the discount, you know, £239, that I can still afford. But as for things like flagship phones, those have to be put on hold because, you know, everyday life like rent, food has to come first. And plus, I've actually booked a holiday next month, March 16th. I'm going to Shanghai with a friend of mine, and I booked that before I found out I got made redundant, so I can't. Plus, I didn't want to cancel. I've been a bit stressed recently, so it's great to kind of go on holiday and do that. So check out those. I'm going to go to a lot of technology stores. Going to do some videos, video logs. Please stay tuned for those. But anyway, I'd like to say thank you for your support. Until next time, when I do get a job, hopefully soon, and do more unboxing and all that cool stuff. Anyway, thank you very much in advance. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. Please do stay safe. Goodbye now.